On the left hand side of iBook's author, I'm going to see the book pane menu bar. This shows me the different chapters, sections, and pages of content that I've created using iBook's author. It also allows me to change important data like the book title, intro media, table of contents, and glossary. Let's start by changing the book title and the cover of our book. When I double click on the book title, you'll notice that there's a blue box around that. That means it's hyperlinked somewhere else in my iBooks. When I triple click on it, I'm going to be able to change where that hot link goes to. If I want it to go to a current chapter, current section, in this case I'm just going to keep it as my book. That means I'm going to change the book title. When I click off of it, you'll notice that my book title over here in the top left corner has changed to now reflect what I wrote as my book title. I can change the other text on this page simply by clicking in those text fields and change that. I can choose to have a subtitle. You'll notice that this is not hot linked anywhere else, or I can choose to get rid of the subtitle. I can also click on the background and change the background image. In this case, I'm going to delete the background art and add my own. In iBook's author, you can simply drag and drop images and other files. So now that I have this in, you can see that as I move it around, it's layered on top of the other information I have there. So I'm actually going to start to, I'm going to send it to the back. So I'm going to click on Arrange and send it to the back. That way this is going to appear in the background of my fonts. I'm going to drag it and click it to, I'm going to hit Shift, click and drag that open. And now I can also move it around to be where I want it to be. I can also click to change the color of my fonts. I can also change different elements of my book to look how I want them to look. Here's how I changed my book cover and my book art. The intro media is simply an image or a movie that grabs the attention of the readers. The table of contents is nothing that I need to worry about. It's going to be pre-populated as I add different sections to my chapters. The glossary is something that we'll cover in a later tutorial.